What's up mga boss? Ayan, tabas tayo ngayon for today's video. Tabas tayo ng ating pure fiberglass box seat. Ayan. Sunod natin itong mga to. Ayan yung full set natin. Saka yung side cover. Tabasin na rin natin yan. Ayan. Alright, let's go! Time lapse.
You had a bad day, you take it one down, you sing a sad song just to turn it around. You say you don't know, you tell me don't lie.
2,000 years later.
What's up mga boss? Ayun, tapos na. Tapos na. Yan, next step natin. Lilihain, primeran, tapos konti masilya. Yan, di maiwasan, magmasilya tayo. Pero pure fiberglass kit naman yan. Siyempre, kailangan may masilya para maging perfecto. Thank you. Arisol, God bless. Once again, Fiberworks.